Hey there, this is Manny, the founder of Blue, and today we're going to talk about tag-based permissions. So I've got the administrator view on the left and then a customer view on the right. So let's configure tag-based permissions for our customer. So I'll go to People, and then I will click on the customer permission role, and I want to edit this. And then I'll scroll down all the way to tag-based access control. And what I want to do here is that I want to only show records to the customer that have the customer tag specifically on them. So I'll click on this, and then I'll update the role. On the right hand side, we can see what happens is that once I come back, I'm only able to see record A because record B and record C do not have the customer tag. Now let's try a different variation of this. I'll go back to the permission settings, but this time, instead of saying only show records that have the customer tag, I'm instead going to do the opposite. I'm going to say hide records that have the private tag. So again, I'll go and update the role. And so again, we've got record A, B, C. So when we refresh here, we should just see record A and record C, because record B is hidden due to the fact that it's got a private tag. So this can be incredibly useful for a bunch of different use cases, and I hope you enjoy using the feature. Have a great day.